How are you, my class 7 English version students? We are going to start our new chapter. Our new chapter is the chapter 13 and chapter's name is the environment and pollution. Today our very important topics I am going to start today. This topic's name is basically to explain the causes of environmental pollution. Basically in this world there are basically three factors for our living. In these three factors are, first factors is soil, and second is the air, and third is water. In this world they are going to the causes of pollution or the environmental pollution. In this, our first topic is the soil pollution. Here's the soil pollution. Basically we are going to explain there. This is the causes and sources of soil pollution and pollutants of soil. How can they pollutants, or what is the pollutants of structure? First structure is soil pollution. Here's the soil pollution. Again, please everyone open the books and page number 151. There are soil pollution. Soil is an essential factor for our living. Various crops that we take as food grow in soil. Not only for food, we are also dependent on soil for other essential things needed for living, such as shelter, clothing, medicines, etc., are the products of plants. We are polluting soil in various ways. As a result, soil is losing in its fertility. Second, second lesson is basically causes and sources of soil pollution. The garbage and wastes that we throw here and there, bacteria help them to decay. As a result, these wastes get mixed up with the soil easily. Basically, it's also the essential structure. In this, the essential structure is the first structure is the bacteria. Besides, but nowadays we use such things that do not rot or get petrified in the soil. Basically, this structure is the polythene and the polythene, etc., such as glasses, polythene, plastic, etc. They hamper normal growth of plants. Besides these materials, we pollute soil in various ways. Among these pollutants, yes, these structures are basically pollutants. This structure is glasses, polythene, plastic, etc. They don't rot or petrified in the soil. Among these pollutants, there are different forms of garbage, fertilizers, fungicides used in agricultural land and industrial wastes, etc. And they became in the soil pollutions. Our next structure and next factor is the water. Basically, water is the main important source for our living. In this water, there are also the pollution. Again, I also explained about the pollution of water. At present, there is scarcity of safe drinking water in the world. Life is not possible without water. Basically, water is the fluid of life, and pollution of water is a subject to ponder over seriously. Water is polluted in various ways. It is the man who is the responsible for pollution of water. It is not only our problem. Basically, it is a serious problem for our global problem. Again, the causes and sources of water pollution. How can or where the water pollution and water became to the pollutants? Here, water may be polluted by various means. Human. Basically, main problem is the human. Human activities are the main cause among other causes of water pollution. Due to the urbanization and industrialization, sewers and industrial wastes have increased. Here I also write this, the urbanization and the industrialization. Sewage and industrial wastes have increased. As a result, water is being polluted. Besides, for increased agricultural production, various insecticides and chemical fertilizers are used. They move from fields to the sea through river. They also mix up with underground water and pollute it. You might have seen that bamboo, cane and jute plants are immersed in plants. Cows, buffaloes and goats are washed in ponds. Some unsafe latrines erected over different water bodies are responsible for water pollution. Basically, in this the water pollution, I also explain about the human beings. Besides the natural beings, again, water may also be polluted due to some natural causes. You have heard about flood. During flood, excreta. Again I repeat. During flood, excreta of domestic animals and birds along with human feces mix up with water and pollute it. The leftover foods, fields, wastes the decomposed bodies of animals. Various degradable substances used in domestic work are thrown here and there. These waste products get mixed with the water of ponds, lakes and rivers. Dear students, I also explain basically main important topics today. First structure is the soil and how can they begin to the pollution or the soil pollution. Second is the water and causes and sources of water pollution. Our last topic is air pollution. It's also the important factor for our environment. Air pollution. Our earth is surrounded by atmosphere. Man, other animals and plants live within this atmosphere. Due to man-made causes, quantities of some constituents of air increase or decrease, which is detrimental of environment and for us. The changes in composition of air is known as air pollution. Please everyone underline this. What is the air pollution? The changes in composition of air is known as air pollution. Atmosphere around the earth has become polluted in various ways. Our next topic, causes and sources of air pollution. Air may be polluted by nature itself and also by man. Environment scientists have mentioned few causes of air pollution. Among these, there are smokes expelled from vehicles and industries, black smokes, motor vehicles, trains, etc. It contains carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. There are two structures. First structure is carbon dioxide. I just write this, the carbon dioxide. And another structure is carbon monoxide. This structure is CO or carbon monoxide gases. Black smokes emitting from the chimneys of brick fields also causes air pollution. As a result, the atmosphere shows some abnormal changes. Moreover, among other causes of air pollution, defective motor vehicles, trains, buses, tempo, etc. release smokes. This smoke contains carbon monoxide, carbon particles and carbon dioxide, which has detrimental effect of the environment. Smokes released by vehicles are not the only cause of air pollution. Smoking, asbestos, dust released from construction work and various kinds of waste materials etc. make air polluted. One of the causes of air pollution is injudicious deforestation. Yes, another structure is the deforestation from the man. As a result, carbon dioxide which is absorbed by plants increases in the air. And when dioxide increases in the air, then also it became to the air pollutions. Dear students, I also explained the first structure is soil pollution and the causes of soil pollution, and also structure of pollutants. Second structure is water pollution and the causes of water pollution and its pollutants structure. Third structure and the last structure is the air pollution and the causes of air pollution and pollutants of air. That's all today. Thank you.